It's our team's strength offering a full range and strategic product lines for all popular commercial vehicles in use today, but it's important we always keep one eye on what's coming down the road in the future. We are the fast alternative to OE. As soon as a new model is released, our research team jumps into action so that we can add the right new parts to our catalog as soon as possible. In this sense, Febi Truck is truly the trailblazer in the automotive aftermarket, and I'm proud to be the person with the holistic approach leading a team of brand development and product managers towards Febi Truck's strategic brand portfolio. With our promise to never accept anything below OE quality standards and our commitment to the future of mobility, we pride ourselves on being the perfect partner to the heroes that keep our world moving.